Right, grade 4. It's time for your exam revision on nouns, common and proper nouns. Now, this is a nice, easy section. It's only 2 kinds of nouns that you need to know. First of all, let's look at common nouns. These are the words for general words, for people, for places, for things, for ideas. Okay, there's nothing special about them. There are many of them. And a little hint here is that these words often have a or the in front of them. Or you can say them with a or the in front of them, like the man, the boy, an apple. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are specific names for people, places, or things. So you don't say the Nelson Mandela, you just say Nelson Mandela. It's a specific name of a man. It's not just any old man. The very interesting hint about proper nouns is that they have a capital letter. So when you're reading, often words in the middle of sentences with capital letters are the proper nouns of that sentence. Right, let's look at some sentences. The man ate sweets. In that sentence, man and sweets are both common nouns. There are many men around and there are many sweets around. There's nothing special about them, but it's also things that you could pick up, you could touch. Then you've got Justin Bieber ate Maynard sweets. Justin Bieber is a specific man. It's the name of a man. You can see the capital letters there. And Maynard sweets, it's a brand of sweets, so it has a capital letter. The second sentence, she called for her dog. Dog is the common noun in that sentence. There are many different kinds of dogs. It's nothing specific about that particular one. And then Mrs. Henry called Coley. Right? Mrs. Henry is a particular person. It's got a capital letter for Mrs. and for Henry. And Coley is the name of the dog. So it's a specific dog. And it's got a capital letter K. The last sentence, I bought a car. You can see there's the a car, that you can say car with a in front of it, or the car. It's a common noun. And I brought a Ferrari. Now, you can also say a Ferrari, but Ferrari is a particular kind of a car. It's got a special name. It's not just any old car. And it's got a capital letter. Let's look at some more examples. You could say man. That's a common noun. And then a very specific man would be Nelson Mandela. What about talking about a country? Country, the word, is a common noun, but a specific kind of country would be Portugal. We could talk about, let's think of another one, ocean. Ocean is a common noun. And if I think of a specific ocean, I could talk about the Indian Ocean. Notice both words in the proper noun have got capitals. What about a toy? Toy is a common noun. If I think of a specific kind of a toy, I think of a Barbie doll. So I could say Barbie. Well, that's a specific toy. It's a proper noun. And the last one, let's think of a chocolate. I love chocolate. There are many kinds of chocolates. Okay, chocolate is a common noun. But if I want to think of a particular one, I could think of Tempo. That's a particular kind of chocolate. Now, you'll notice common nouns are often things that you could pick up, that you could feel, and proper nouns are special names given to common nouns, specific ones. Right, there are many words on the screen. Can you pick out which ones are the common nouns and which ones are the proper nouns? There's one obvious little hint I'm sure you've picked up already. So if we go through it, there's apple, Samsung, car, boy, dog, Durban, chocolate, Sunday, June, Mrs. Henry, teacher, school, pencil, Toyota, cat, Jacques Callis, and Table Mountain. Pause the video quickly and see if you can write down a list of the common nouns and a list of the proper nouns. When you're ready, press play again. Right. Did you get these ones right? All the blue words are the common nouns, and all the green words are the proper nouns. And obviously you should have picked out all the ones with capital letters are the proper nouns. Right, now in your exam, your teacher might ask you or test you this knowledge in a number of ways. She could give you sentences and tell you to circle the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in different colors possibly. She could ask you to write your own sentence where you have to use a common noun or a proper noun. Or she might give you a bunch of words like I just did and ask you to list them under common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, remember the hint for a common noun is you can often say the or a or an in front of the word, and the hint for the proper noun is it has a capital letter. Good luck.